Easy methods to share your floor plan with clients. Sharing your floor plans efficiently is crucial, especially when working with clients, stakeholders, or collaborators. Fortunately, Homestyler makes sharing incredibly simple and versatile. After you've completed your design, go to the Export section on your dashboard. Here, you can generate high-resolution 2D images, 3D views, panoramic renderings, or even virtual video walkthroughs. These assets are perfect for presentations, emails, or printouts. For more interactive sharing, Homestyler allows you to generate a unique URL link. Share this with clients, and they can view your design in real time using just a browser. No downloads required. You can even password protect the link for privacy. Want to share on social media or embed the design on your website? Homestyler gives you embed codes to add to your blog, portfolio, or company page. This is especially useful for real estate agents, interior designers, and architects. You can also export your plans as CAD files or PDFs for professional collaborations with builders or contractors. For team projects, Homestyler supports cloud saving, so you and your collaborators can access the project from different locations. It's a convenient and professional solution for modern teams. The link in the description gives you free access to Homestyler. Use it to start creating and sharing floor plans that leave a lasting impression.